Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to delete a name range in Excel. Name range are useful but sometimes we need to clean them up. Let's see how to remove them step by step. So name range is showing in this name box. This is the name box. When I click cursor you can see the name box. When you click on this drop down arrow and here you can see the name range here showing. There are three list name here I created. Okay. So there is no any option here to delete it. When I click on it, right click on it, there's no option here showing to delete this name list. Okay. For that, just go to the formula tabs. Okay. In defined names group, click on the name managers and here you can see the name manager dialog box is open. In this name manager, you can see the all name range I created is available. Okay. You can just select the mouse and you can use the down arrow to select it, and after that just click on the delete to delete this name range. I just click on the delete. Are you sure you want to delete the name employee list? Just click on OK. Yes. Now click the close and here you can see the employee list name range is deleted. If you want to delete the multiple name range, again go to the formulas tab in name manager. Okay, just click on the name manager and select the first list, then press the control key and select the second set. Okay, second name ranged, and then click on the delete option and click on the OK. That's it. You can see the both name range is deleted. Click on the close and that's it. Now I just click on this drop down arrow and see the all name range is deleted. So this is a way you can delete the name range in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.